On this episode, I'm going to show you how to make your AC unit run like new again, allowing it to blow colder air and faster so that your home will cool faster, allowing you to save on your energy bill. Hey there friends, welcome to Fix This House. If you're new to the channel, consider pressing the subscribe and notification bell so you can always be in tune on DIYs, how-to videos, and product reviews that I do within this channel. So this is probably one of the most neglected maintenance services that we don't do for our home, especially if you own an AC unit, and that's cleaning out your AC. We expect it to run 100% each and every year, but if you don't maintain it, you're not going to get the same effect as if you would bought it brand new. So what do you do to keep it running 100% every year? The first thing that you need to do is you want to start cleaning what's inside of this AC unit. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Looking at your AC unit, you should have a switch that connects to power. And if you follow along that, it should be this panel right here. And it's as easy as pretty much just opening it up. Inside this box, you'll see this pull tab where you just pull it just like that. And this automatically disconnects the power to your AC unit. So keep this in a nice safe place. We'll put it right here. I wouldn't do it when it's raining. If possible, try to do this on a dry day where you're not going to get water or anything in contact. And the safest way actually is going to your main circuit breaker and shutting off the main power that is feeding to your AC unit, just to be safe, because you never know what other connections or other electrical sources that might be feeding into this AC unit. But overall, for this one, in my case anyways, this is the main power, and taking this out should be sufficient. So now we have to take out the shroud that's surrounding this AC unit coils, and we're going to take out the fan at the top. We have to go and unscrew these screws right here, and it takes about this 8mm to get those out. It's fairly cheap tool by Black & Decker. It's rechargeable and it does the job. It has interchangeable bits. If you have a manual version that you can do by hand, that does too. I'll leave both tools and this on the link on the description down below if you're interested. It just makes the job a little bit faster and enjoyable. Sorry to interrupt friends, but if you find these videos super helpful, please kindly hit that big thumbs up and subscribe button. It'll greatly help out the channel. With that being said, let's get back to the video. There's a few sharp edges here, so wear cut resistant gloves if possible. So now that we got the screws taken out of the top, we have to lift this fan up out of the way. Before we get into this video, you're probably wondering, how often should I do this maintenance? How often should I clean out my AC unit? Well, the answer is, it's recommended that you should do it at least twice a year, and that's during the springtime and the fall time. What I did was I tied it up. I attached the little screw right here just to hold it in place, and that's how it's being held up. So it's up to you how you want to secure this or how you want to place it. Some of them you can probably disconnect the wiring, but this one in my AC unit can't disconnect it. So I'm just going to leave it like this, because all I need to do is get access and remove the shroud. You see that I have two rows of fins right here. I have one on the outside and on the inside. So you can get some people saying that, hey, you can actually just clean this from the outside, just go spray water through here on these fins. Well, the problem with that is you'll only get the outside fins clean, but the inside fins will still be dirty. It's fairly still clean on the inside because I just cleaned it a year ago, but you can see that there's a bit of debris that is blocking the fins. Another check that you can do is you can take a flashlight and shine it right behind these fins. If you can't see that light clearly going through those fins, that means your AC unit is super dirty and you definitely need to do this maintenance. Carefully vacuum the inside. You don't want to start banging on the sides of these because these are very fragile, these fins. If you have an old paintbrush or old brush that you're not using, just carefully just go and brush off the grime on the outside. All this little debris that's sticking onto the outside fins. What I suggest is using this coil brush I got off of Amazon. Just lightly go with the flow of your fins. Don't go side to side because that will dent or bend your fins. So you want to go to the direction of the fins, slightly finessing it downwards. Notice how, see all that stuff flying out, getting cleaned. I'm going to be using to clean this thing is this Frost King, the air conditioner coil foaming cleaner, this heavy duty detergent. I got this off of Amazon. I'll leave the link on the description down below if you're interested on this. Wear gloves and you want to wear eye protection when you're doing this. Other product that you can use is this coil cleaner. I got this off of Lowe's, but I'll leave the link and similar ones on the description down below as well. After we spray this, we're gonna leave it for about several minutes. Now be sure to get the inside as well. This is your AC capacitor and all the wirings. You want to cover this later on when we rinse this off. In several minutes now, let's go and rinse it off. Shower or rinse it off with a light mesh shower hose. So if you have one of these right here, you want to set it onto the shower or the softest possible water pressure. You don't want super high pressure going and cleaning that out. Use a high pressure on that thing, the fins could get bent. Before I go rinse this out, I covered where all the capacitor and all the wiring's at so we don't get that wet. Now that we have it all nice and cleaned up, we're waiting for it to dry. Now is the perfect time to put back the shroud and let's go screw everything back on. So now the shroud and the fan is back on. Now we can go back to the power and let's hook it back on. So there you have it, friends. It's nice and clean. It should be ready and you can clean it once again when fall season starts. But that's how easy it is. It's easy maintenance. All you gotta do is take out the shroud, spray that cleaner, rinse it off, and you're good to go. And you should have nice colder airflow now, and it's a lot faster now to cool inside your home. Any suggestions or anything that you would like to add, please leave it in the comment section down below and share with the community. And again, friends, I'd like to remind you that there is a membership now for Fix This House. Just click that join button and become a member. There's a lot of perks of being a member. If you're interested on the cleaner and any tools that I use in this video, I'll leave all the links on the description down below. If your AC is not working, if you're interested in how to fix it, check out these videos right here on how to change out your capacitor and all those other good things and maintenance wise regarding your AC unit. If you found this video super helpful, friends, please hit that big thumbs up, press the subscribe notification bell, and I'll see you, friends, on the next video.